Hi guys, welcome to Sissy Space. On today's episode, we are going to be making homemade, low-calorie, guilt-free granola. Honestly, granolas are very healthy, most especially for someone trying to lose weight, as they are packed with high fiber and they are also high in protein. But what draws the line is the calorie count of granolas, most especially for store-bought granolas. And if you're on a weight loss journey, you know that your calorie in versus calorie out is very important. No matter how healthy what you are eating is, if you are still not in a calorie deficit, you are just wasting your time. So what's the point in eating high calorie granola when you are trying to lose weight? Which is why I'm showing you guys another alternative way to enjoy your granola guilt-free, low calorie, high fiber, and you still get to enjoy it the way you would enjoy your normal granola. To make this is very simple. You just need to combine all these ingredients together and cook them, roast them, bake them, whichever way you choose. So either you have an oven or you don't have an oven, there are ways to go around this. So for the ingredients, I'm just going to list them in the description box. You can double it, you can divide it, whichever one works well for you. And I will also be dropping the calorie count of this granola per portion in the description box. So let me leave you guys to enjoy this video, and also to tell you not to forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share this video, and also turn on your post notification so you can know when I post videos just like this. So if you're a mom or you are just an housewife trying to go around making things at home for yourself, for your family, or you are on a weight loss journey and you want recipes that can help you in your weight loss journey, then you need to stay glued to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for always being here. So that is it guys, and then I'm going to see you next time. Just watch this video and you are going to understand the whole process.
Just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinking.
So you guys can see how easy it was to make this granola. If you don't want to use the stovetop method, you can definitely make use of your oven, your hair fryer, and you are good to go. So I portioned this into 1/3 cup. So I used this nylon in order to get my portion correct, and each portion is about 72 calories each. You guys should compare that to store-bought granola. Now, aside from your parfait, you can also enjoy this as a snack. Just snack on it. It's very filling, it's very healthy, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe for more. And that's all for tonight. Bye guys.